Hey guys, alright, I've been looking into this Stockholm, the type of truck that was used in the attack. Look familiar? So I'm just been looking into this. Now this 6x2 26T, it might not be the exact model, because this one only has axles that are steered, not driven. The model that was used might have had hydrostatically driven wheels in the back, which means they will turn and push, which would also explain how this thing could turn so well in those narrow areas for that idiot PK and for all you other idiots that can't figure this shit out without somebody holding your fucking hand. So, in case you want the definition, that's a quick view. You can apparently it goes on. You can read it your damn self. So, all it takes is a little bit of looking, and we have the answers.